it's that time of the day, time for the Law on You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. With us once again, we have Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. How are you guys?
We're doing all right. How about you?
I am great. Constantly learning when you're in the house here. It's great. You give us some awesome free legal advice. So let's get to this question from one of the viewers. Bill in Music's chiming in. He says, I think that my cousin is addicted to opioids. Is there anything I can do? A lot of people dealing with this epidemic.
A lot of people dealing with this. So is there anything that you could do? I mean, obviously going to your loved one and talking to them about getting some help is obviously very important. But if it gets to a point that you think that he or she is a danger to himself or others as a result of the use of of opioids, you can take the very drastic step of having them commit it. Now there has to be an underlying mental illness or component of it. If you think they're suicidal or homicidal, it is a very drastic step. But I mean, it's one that you may think that at some point is absolutely necessary based upon what they're doing to themselves or others. But it's a terrible thing. There are tons of resources out there though to get people the help they need for this for this addiction, and strongly encourage everybody to seek them out and use them.
And it is a true epidemic, and it's nice to see that the manufacturers of these products are now being held accountable. There have been settlements with regard to states and cities regarding the problems that they've caused with this overprescribing of these opioids. So hopefully this thing's coming to an end, with at least from the manufacturer standpoint. But it's terrible, and we're right in the middle of it right here in northeastern PA. So
yeah, everyone's affected by it, that's for sure.
Knows no boundaries.
It touches everybody.
Right, so if you want some more answers about this, you can give the guys a call. You can find them online or like them on social media. Reach out to them that way. Thank you so much for your advice today. If you at home have a question for the Law on You, you can submit it at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.